This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 33 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel. This is the final issue of doing the index finger. But before we get to that, we're going to look through the magazine as ever, looking at the son of Thanos. I wasn't aware that he had a son, but apparently he does, or did at least. You can read all about that if you so desire. All about that. It's obviously been in several issues. The finger, yes, we're doing the same as we did last time, but with a different bit, different joint, and finishing off the finger there, and it will look just like that. Looking good. I do like the way it's coming together. Mantis has been in the film, so I'm aware of her. Again, you can read all about her backstory and stuff in there. John Romita Jr., legendary penciler. Spider-Man and Iron Man and other things, obviously, as well. So let's clear this out of the way and let's see how this finger finishes off. So here we are, the parts supplied today, much the same as last time. We've got a little cap, which I've actually filed down a little bit to make a looser fit because it wasn't going in when I just test fitted it. One screw I've already got out of the packet, and obviously the rest of the finger there. So this is going on there. It's a much better fit than the other part there. I say better, I mean it actually lines up and fits, whereas the other one was a bit tight. That goes on there, lines up obviously nicely. Single screw. Holds it in place. Get that in and tightened properly. And there we have it. So that is now assembled and bends as it should, as a finger does. We've got the little cover go over that screw hole, just like that, in there, nice and secure. And that is that. That's the finger finished. It can obviously be attached at some point to the body of the hand, but that's his finger, all done, and lovely articulation on these. I do like it. So that is that. Join me next time when we're starting something a little bit different. Not a finger. I'm moving away from the finger next time. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.